What is going on, my friends? Anatoly here. You are watching Define Agile YouTube channel. We talk everything Agile, we talk everything tools, everything to be productive and happy as a team. And today we're covering Jira Service Desk. We're going step by step, little tutorials to get you accustomed with this amazing software. And today we're going to talk about adding agents. In the last video, we talked about how to add customers. In this one, we will look at the same issue, but from the agent view. Customers are creating tickets, agents are working on the ticket. So let's just add an agent, see how it's done. I'm in my Jira Service Desk. If you don't know how to get to Jira Service Desk, you can also always go to Switch to and then click on Jira Service Desk. If you don't have it yet, you can get a free trial, so don't worry about that. Now let's add an agent. To do that, we click on Invite Team. And then it gives us an email address to invite a team member. So let's provide one, defineagile.com plus agent@gmail.com. So every time you are adding an agent, it adds an extra license. So the pricing tier is based on the agent licenses. So make sure when you play with it, don't add too many agents, because then you might get from a free tier to a paid one. I'm just inviting one agent, so I click invite person. Cool, the agent is invited. Now let's see what agents received as an email. Here's an email the agent will see when you invite them. It says, Anatoly Spector and your team are waiting for you. You're missing out on working with your team in defineagile.atlassian.net. Join the team. So when you click join them now, it gets you to actually similar screen what customer might get, but they don't have this customer portal. They have the actual Jira here. So I say define agile agent, and then I provide a password. So this is an agent view. As you might see, it's very slimmed down from what administrator has. You don't have project settings and other things. This is all about knocking as many of those issues as possible. Remember, we did create a ticket in my previous video when we added a customer called "This is my first request." As an agent, you can see it, you can click on it, and you can act on it. So as an agent looking at this, you can add an internal note, reply to customer, or move it through the workflow. We'll talk about all of this later. At this moment, I just wanted to show you how to add people to your team. So now you know that. If you think that video brought you value, please subscribe to the channel and like it. It'll help me to reach more and more people. If you're confused and you want someone to set you up a Jira Service Desk instance or to support you and your team with all things Jira and Agile, please go to defineagile.com. Schedule a consultation with me. Me and my team will be happy to help your business. We're helping many teams, from small startups to governments, training them, onboarding them into Jira, onboarding them into other tools. So I'll be happy to help you out. Talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.